Hello, this is Telomere and welcome to another repair video. In this video we're looking at this iPhone 11 and I mean the phone itself looks fine until you look at that edge right there. The screen has been popped up and if you look at the other side it's quite shocking that this is not broken. That back glass is just hanging on with a thread. So I've already got the Penelope screws out and I'm just going to put this on the heating pad and we're going to get this up to temperature. And then maybe I should turn the phone off. Get that screen out. And the problem is of why this isn't pushing back in. He had said that when he was trying to push it, it just refused to go back in. And it's because the plate, the little metal plate behind the back glass has torn. It's not just the back glass lifted up. So I need to remove the screen in order to figure out what's going on there. Okay, we got it off the heating pad. And I've got to be really careful here. Let's get our suction cup going on this. I'm going to add a little bit of alcohol and let's get this screen off. This side's going to be extremely difficult, so I'm going to have to do this in a slightly different way. I got to be really careful with that side. Alright, maybe I have no choice. Just push down. There. I got it. Oh, alright. We're in business. Haven't broken anything. Final bit there to get up. I just put a little bit of alcohol down here in this little groove. That will get this screen free. So I'm going to take the shields off. I'm going to remove the battery or disconnect the battery first. And I just need to get the screen out. Just get it out of the way. And I'm going to need to take out the speaker near the bottom there as well. This is going to be odd. I'm really curious to see what it looks like underneath the speaker. Alright, you know what? I'm not going to show much more beyond this. I'm going to get these screws out here, get this speaker out, get this off, screen removed, and then we're going to take a look and see what's going on in there. Okay, then we got the screws all out. I'm really curious to see what it looks like. I might have to take this one out as well. Let's just see. I have to take it out. Okay, that's okay. Okay, that's out of the way. Running out of space right now. Well, how about that? I can't see anything. I think I would have to take this. Oh, there's a piece of plastic that's fallen out. I'd have to take out the charge port just to see what's going on. But you can kind of see it from the edge, that the edge is torn away. You can see straight through it actually. Let me see if... Yeah, you can see the blue mat right through it. I don't know how easy it is going to be to push this back together. All I can think of doing is just pushing and seeing if it goes back in. It's not going to be the easiest thing to do though. I'm quite concerned I'm going to break the glass. I'm literally like this is rubber plastic or something. I'm hoping that maybe this will do it. I wonder if the metal itself is bent. Oh, I see. It's right here. It's a little piece of plastic that's hanging off of it right there. So if I can just give this a little bit of leverage, I might be able to get it back in. I just got nervous. I'm putting some gloves on and some glasses. I'm not taking any chances. Gloves because I have a feeling that back glass could shatter. I don't honestly know how well these gloves are actually gonna help out, but you know, it's one extra layer of protection, and I'll take that extra layer, thank you very much. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lever it. Gosh, it just won't budge. I'm actually pondering getting my grinding pen out and grinding this. So the issue that I'm encountering right now and dealing with is that the plastic is preventing this part of the shell from going back in place, that part of the frame from slipping back in place, and it's so tight in there it just doesn't want to budge. Okay, enough playing around. I'm gonna go and get my grinding pen. Okay, let's see if that does the trick. Is there even any movement? I don't see any movement in this. I think I need a bit more precision, which means I gotta switch this. I gotta switch this on out. Okay, I've got a finer tip now. Let's give this another go. Yeah, there's even a bump of plastic that's holding it up. Okay, I've drilled away as much as the plastic as I can. It's still not really budging at all, but I at least might have a little bit more, not so much leverage as just viable space, I think is the better way to put it. It's still really not wanting to move though. What if I put alcohol in here, give it like some lubrication? I doubt it, but what's that? It's a flake of plastic. I'm not going through plastic right now. I'm going through metal. I'm pretty sure. I am going through the aluminum. Ah, I broke my tip. I've got another. I might try again one of these circular Dremel tools, but at the moment I just need to see if this will be enough. I'm worried that will just continue to I'm worried I'm going to nick the glass with that one. And it does have a little bit of diamond in it. Diamond abrasive built into these. So it would not be good if that were to strike the glass. I think I'm going to have to use... I am going to have to use the circular blade thing there. Mostly because I think I'm going to wear this blade out super fast. And I kind of need it because I don't use this for grinding away at metal. I use it to grind that nice point there. I use it for grinding at solder mask and stuff like that off of traces when I'm doing repairs on circuit boards. It's not even reaching. Ah, I got it. Wow, okay. It's not perfect, but it's in now. That was far more difficult than I thought it was going to be. Let's toss in a new seal. This phone is not exactly waterproof anymore. I'm going to dribble a little bit of glue into that little section there, just some E8000 rubberized glue, and hopefully that will help things along. Alright, we got all that prepped. So I'm going to just stop here. I'm going to get those speakers and everything else back into place. And we're going to focus in on that last bit and getting that glue in. Well, I got all of that back together. Got the seal in place. I just need to put a little dab of glue in there. I don't know how much good it's going to do, to be honest. But better than nothing. Let's close it up. I've already tested to make sure that it still turns on. It does. It's not perfect. It's never going to sit perfectly flat, like ever again. But that's a far cry better than it was. Now let's just get the penelope screws in. We're all done. Sometimes what looks like it's a really easy fix sometimes turns out to be a very much not easy fix. It is not particularly pretty looking, but at least it's flat now. Can go back into his case, and he won't be having to worry about the back glass shattering on him. That was so incredibly close. So if you guys like the video, please do leave a like, and if you want to see more of my stuff, subscribe. We'll see you guys all in another video. Bye.